this is not for e-content development workshop, but we wanted you to understand, because we are going to learn about what process has to be followed in your states when you are developing e-content, and every diet has to have that process in place. So to learn the theory, we are going to first do the practical, right? So for just doing practical, we have taken one sample content to be done as animation, because audio, video and all, like every time we are doing, so we thought this would be a little different. Now we as faculty also can develop smaller animations. It's not so difficult to create animations. So what is that we can do? Some of you have attended other trainings and you have got already exposure. At least I can see in every group one person is there who is already trained. So when you're doing practically, that one person can support the team, right? So we're going to start to understand what is animation, how we can use it, what is the process of development, and then we are going to do the practice after tea time. So you will get only 1 hour time for doing the practicals. So in that 1 hour, you will be creating a 2D animation with 250 photographs. 250 photographs have to be taken. She'll be explaining about all the things, but then this is the condition. So every group will make one story. Animation should be a story, right? So in your animation, at the starting, there should be a title of the story. At the end, we want you to have your name of the resource participants who are creating that. So it's up to you. You can just put all the names in one line, or you can write the story writer, editor, like that. You can give some titles for yourself. It's about your innovative way you're going to create it. So ultimately, today, whatever you are creating, this is an assignment for you. You have taken some screenshot, that is also an assignment. This is also an assignment. Tomorrow you will get everything ready, then we will submit it in the learning management system. Okay? Because when Nishta is going to happen also, you're going to submit assignments like this. So you need to know the process of assignment submission as well. Okay, so to take this session, we have with us Dr. Monica Nagpal. She was working earlier with CIT in different roles, and now she is with MIT University as a visiting professor. So she is here with us to take us through this particular session, and she'll be explaining us and also showing us how we have to do. So for your practical, we have kept here a kit. You can see bags here, right? So each group will be getting one bag. There are some materials inside. So you have to listen carefully so that with whatever materials is available. That's a limitation for you. Only you can use what is available inside, but you have to make an animated story. Is that clear? Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Angel. And very good afternoon to one and all present here. So, as ma'am said, we can see a few familiar faces. I won't say in every group, but yes, in 2-3 groups I can definitely see. So the language familiarity would be English or a mix of English and Hindi. Which one you prefer? Mix. Everyone? Okay, great. So we are going to talk about a very, very interesting. I think it is interesting. Do you find animation interesting?
Yes.
Have you ever seen any animation?
Yeah.
Which one?
So many.
So many.
Cartoons.
Some cartoons. Okay.
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Okay. Anything else? Yes. Chota Bheem. Okay. Doraemon.
Naruto.
All of it is animation. Yes. So we all find it interesting. सभी को मजा आता है देख के क्यों Why? Colors.
Characters are
Motion.
different.
Characters are different, yes.
Abnormal looks. Normal.
Abnormal looks. So basically, that is something changed from the reality. So we all basically like change. Whether it is a dress change, when you find a new dress, somebody will preserve it for a good program to happen. Somebody will use it the day he or she has bought because they are so fascinated. Right? So it's all about the change. Yes. So now in this session we are going to talk about what and why of animation. Why is always important more than what? Do you know why? Why is more important than what? Can you answer this?
To grab
For
attention.
joyful, for joy, it's creating
Objective.
pleasure.
Why
It's defined need or
objective?
objective.
Yes,
Yeah.
because if I tell you animation is not for education, would you like to listen to this session? We need to have a good valid reason for doing everything. That is why. Then we will talk about what it is. So we will try to answer all these questions through you. I will not be answering anything. So that why will I be taking your support so that you can recall it? You can keep it in your mind for a longer time. It will happen when you think. If I say something, you will simply sleep in another 10 minutes. I can make you sleep or I can make you awake. That is my this thing. So why animation? The first question is not what is animation, but why animation?
To engage the learner.
To engage the learners. Anyone from this side? Every side be alert.
Easily
Daniel
showing
sir, you also.
extraordinary things.
To make
Easily we
learning
can easily show.
To make learning fun.
To make learning
We can easily show abnormal things as well.
Showing abnormal things.
Make learning interesting.
Interesting. Okay. Anything else? Effective.
to keep in
That is
mind
up to a teacher. I will always say, whether it's an animation or Raju sir will know whether it's video. You can make it boring or you can make it interesting.
to keep the age group of
Sorry. Yes, sorry sir.
age group of the learners. According
Yes.
to yes.
Yes, very good. So now we will see why whatever you have said is reflected here. Initially we said no, we like it. That is also that because it lightens the mood. It takes away the life stresses when we see something uncommon. And that too not very serious, but some kind of story, some kind of engagement. It attracts the attention. Also, which nobody said was there are many things which are difficult to capture through a video that we can create in animation. So, can you see the possibility how it is expanding slowly from the video? Then, this is fantasy based and character based. This is not something real. Most of it, the whole concept which has been taught through animation can be real, can be factual, but the whole animation, the presentation format would be unreal. How? Because, like in our real sense, how are we? We are proportionate. We have accepted our body types as this size of face, this body, a little fat, a little thin. We have accepted it. But what happens in animation? When we see the characters, they could be simple stick figures, right? They could be a little more like this, little more smaller or a little extra large because they are different from us. So they are all fantasized, they are not real characters. Okay, now animated graphics or whatever animations we are making, it is, as I previously also mentioned, it is good for abstract concepts which are not, we in real life we are not able to see. That means going back, we are not able to capture in video. This is what I said. So this is why we need animation in our classroom. Do you find some abstract concepts in your classroom? What are your subjects? Can anyone say which subject background are you from?
Language, humanity.
So it's a mixed group, right? So in every subject, I'll say science, we have a lot of abstract concepts. Maths, purely abstract.
Most
मेरे को
of the
समझ में नहीं-
concepts we learn are abstract.
Abstract only. Very few of them at a very lower level are the concrete concepts. As we move towards higher education, it becomes abstract. So how is it useful for us? Shall we go ahead or close it here? I want energy. I can't become a character now. Now coming to animation. We've understood animation is good, it is helpful, maybe not important, but it can be helpful to all of us. Agreed?
Yes.
So now what is animation? We have learned a few words which you said cartoon characters. Anything else? You have to speak in this session.
Wall of imagination.
World of imagination, fantasy.
Yeah.
To give life.
To give life. Yes. Can we see now on the screen? What are cartoons? What are graphics? And then they are presented as moving pictures. Basically, it's the same. A cartoon is basically a graphic.
Yeah.
Put it into movement. That is animation. See, such simple is animation to understand. अभी मैं इसको challenging बनाऊंगी. Don't worry. It's not that simple. Now, what exactly is animation? I should not show this. अब एनिमेशन बनती कैसे है? हमने बात किया एक ग्राफिक्स हैं, कार्टून्स हैं, कैरेक्टर्स हैं, बनती कैसे है? मैम ने एक हिंट दिया, आपको 250 फोटोग्राफ्स लेने हैं.
You're moving this frame per second. Moving the frames. Moving the frames.
Moving the frames, so the frames are moving at a certain speed which is very fast. 25 is for video. When we capture a video, that is generally 24, 25. In animation, it can go beyond that right now, because high-end animations and films are going on. In that case, it has gone up to 60 frames per second also. 60 frames per second. Per this thing, yes. Right? So you can think how serious it goes when we talk about animation. कैमरा में तो इजी है, ये कैमरा चालू किया खींच लेगा. एनिमेशन में आपको अगर 250 फोटो खींचने हैं तो मूवमेंट कितने बनाने होंगे? हम लोग डेमो करेंगे यहीं पे बिना किसी एनिमेटेड चीज के. वी विल डू इट, राइट? सो बेसिकली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, we are compiling pictures, putting them in a sequence, and then running it as a video. That is moving picture. Now, why are they moving? Maths, science teachers, concept of eye, anyone? कोई साइंस का टीचर नहीं है यहाँ पे?
साइंस का है पर बायोलॉजी वाला.
नहीं पर वो अच्छा ठीक है, वो लेंस और वो all that formulas.
लेंस फॉर्मूला.
I mean, physics में आ गया ना? That is why I said I'm taking you there.
Speed in frames. Speed in frames.
Speed in frames, yes. Those theoretical, those concepts we talked about. Now I'm asking about the physics and maths basically in this. So we'll come to it. I'll help you. You all will be revisiting those concepts. Animation is nothing but a technique, a method where images are manipulated in such a way that they appear to be moving. They are not moving. Correct? Have you ever done video editing for Instagram or anything?
Kind Master I've used.
Used it, na sir? So when you do edit on track,
Yes.
you see the video converts into images,
Yes.
small.
Yeah.
That is also images. That was what is, in 1 second we have 25 images. That's the basic technology behind it. In animation, it is not automatically created. We have to create it. So you have to click for 1 second, minimum 25 images. I'm taking you to the assignment also parallelly. So here again repeating, we are manipulating the images in such a way that they appear to us as moving images, as video, what we call. Anybody aware of this concept?
1 by 10 seconds.
सुना है?
1 by 10 seconds.
1 by 10 second. This was what I was coming to actually. This is the concept persistence of vision. So it's not just that the image is moving. The persistence of vision, sir will explain in a minute. Sir, can you explain in one line or so?
Means the image which can capture by the eye, that the memory will record for that time.
Right? Now I'll explain it further. Image, when it appears in front of our eyes, our mind records it. When the image is removed, it stays there for 1 by 10 seconds.
So that will be the continuity.
So if it stays for that fraction of 10, I'll say, and then next image comes, it looks like it is moving. Because the previous image is also there even if it has been removed. But the other image has been added. That is persistence of vision. So, not just the physical image has been moved, but our physical body, the attributes are of our eye, are also helping us create this notion of movement. Physics class तो नहीं हो गई ना? Not. I hope nobody is bored here. I mean, it has become, I think, easy. The previous persistence also has become now clear in our minds. If it was not, मेरे को नहीं था इससे पहले. So persistence of vision. What happens is when we see something. For example, you focus on any image and close your eyes, but the image still be there for very, very, very small time. Even though your eyes are closed or the image has been removed. Why? Because the memory has been created in our brain. For a very small time, it retains. And when we see the second image, the memory of the second image is created. So it looks like that they are in movement. That's our physical attribute.
मैं मैडम थोड़ा सा ऐड कर दूं क्या?
हाँ, please.
मैं बताता 1 by 10 सेकंड के लिए मेमोरी उसको रिकॉर्ड करता है. इन सेकंड हम जो वीडियो देखते हैं 25 मिनिमम 25 fps फ्रेम पर सेकंड होना चाहिए. मींस एक 25 पिक्चर एक सेकंड में मूव कर रहे हैं. हमारा ब्रेन रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है कितना? 10 फ्रेम को रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. तो तभी भी 15 फिगर क्या है? हमारा आगे की ओर
आगे की ओर.
तो इसीलिए हमको लग रहा है कि मूव कर रहा है.
तो फिजिकली भी अगर
हमारा
आप
ब्रेन जो
मूव
है ना,
करें,
हमारा ब्रेन 15 फिगर पीछे है. ठीक है. अब हमारा जो मोशन जो है वो 15 फिगर आगे है. तो इसलिए हमको लग रहा है कि ये मूव कर रहा है. ये है कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द मूवी.
मतलब आप फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में भी
राउंड शेप में देखते हैं ना. फैन जो घूमते हैं ना तो राउंड शेप देखते हैं इसलिए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल करेक्ट एग्जांपल. यस, वेरी गुड एग्जांपल. सो नाउ अभी हम वीडियो में देख रहे हैं वो 25 फ्रेम है. अगर हम फिजिकली एक के बाद एक देखते जाएंगे तो हमें लगेगा अभी हम उसको देखेंगे. फ्लिप बुक इज द एग्जांपल फॉर दिस.
1 by 10 एक हमारा एक फिगर को ब्रेन हमारा 1 by 10 सेकंड तक रिकॉर्ड
प्रोसेस कर रहा है.
तो ये पास हो रहा है कितना? 1 by 26 सेकंड में. तो इसीलिए कंटिन्यूटी ज्यादा लग रहा है.
अभी देखते हैं अगली इमेज में.
In the movie of the Tare Zameen Par, that Ishan Awasthi used a flip book in the pictures.
We are coming.
Yeah.
We will be seeing everything today, sir. So here now you can see an image. Maybe it's a ball or just a circle. The second image. Third image. When it will be presented in speed, that ball, for example, it will look like it's moving, although it's not moving.
लाइटिंग होता है ना इसमें तो सेम टेक्नोलॉजी.
Yes. बहुत ज्यादा फिजिक्स पूछेंगे तो सर मैं मना कर दूंगी. उतना ही जानते हैं जितना पता है यहाँ बताना है. Now we will see. Sir, for you.
Yeah.
पहले
Yes.
कार्टून
These are the pages.
So, do you want to see full? What was this? Flip book. फ्लिप बुक दिखा क्योंकि हमने बुक को फ्लिप किया, पर अगर मैं एक एक पेज का फोटो खींचूंगी तो क्या होगा? There won't be continuity. Okay, right. We'll see it today. So basically that is also animation, but वहाँ पे we'll have a jerk because this part is also giving it a feel of movement, the edges. Otherwise, this is purely an example of a type of animation which we are going to do is stop motion animation. Here, they have created each and every image, but we will create a background different and characters different so that we don't have to create each image. We will create a background, we'll move our elements and we'll see a motion. Right? So this is an example of animation which actually, I mean, maybe animation started with something of this kind in the previous years. Now, we are clear with animation? Why we need animation? Do you have any doubt that if animation can be utilized in particular subject or not? When I say abstract, I think that it can be employed in every subject based on the vision of the teacher. Okay, now animation is also of multiple types. Are you aware of it? छोटा भीम क्या animation है? कैसा animation है? What type of animation is Chhota Bheem or Doraemon or whichever you refer to?
2D.
अगर डायमेंशन के हिसाब से पूछें तो 2D होगा.
Yes, okay. In some cases, Chhota Bheem is also 3D. If we carefully see that, some of the episodes, not all of them, or some of the specially games based on Chhota Bheem character. Have you seen those games? You can just go and explore certain games which are available with the characters Chhota Bheem, how he is saving through a game. In that, it is the other one which is 3D. Now, what is this 2D, 3D, 4D, 5? Okay, fine, dimension, but what is dimension? I need to understand all these concepts today. Hanji? Depth, okay.
At a time कितने side दिख रहा है?
Yes, कितने side दिख रहा है?
2D has 2 axes, 3D has 3 axes.
3D has 3 axes. सर 360 डिग्री तो मैं कैमरा ली वो चारों तरफ दिखा दी तो वो कैसे कवर, मतलब आप ठीक हो या गलत मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ समझने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ जहाँ पे रहता है वहाँ पे 2D. लेंथ ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट तो that becomes 3D.
तो अब आप बताइए 360 डिग्री वीडियो देखा है सबने? Is it 2D or 3D?
3D.
3D. I was just confusing it. So we all know 2D, 3D, and then in new media we are all aware of, which we said 360 also, virtual tour also, everything is coming under new media. Now the concept of dimensions. Let's do science again and maths again.
One thing, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You talk about flip cards, no?
Ha
So these are the 3D pictures only.
How?
Sorry, 2D only.
Huh?
So that's my question is that how 3D came in for this? This is what I have seen now. This is only that is the pictures. Okay, they are not moving. Only one by one within a very short period of time, our brain is captured as moving like that. So 3D is different from this. I think.
Yes.
We are here. We will be moving one by one. We will have the question to. We will have answer to all your questions and you will answer it. I'm not going to do anything. Now you can see here something. Any teacher will would like to volunteer to explain this. See, here we are not student and teacher. We all are at the same level. Someday you will be training somebody and you will be standing here. Who will, ma'am? Would you like to come? Yes.
बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत हो जाएगा.
कोई बात नहीं, हम हैं यहीं पे.
Means
ये ले लीजिए.
so far my understanding goes, so in the 0D level we have not selected anything, and that is why that is actually I'm
There is no
unable to-
access, no?
It has no access. No,
Zero,
nothing
no
is
access.
appearing.
Zero,
Basically,
no
no,
access.
nothing is
It's a
there.
point only.
Then
No,
It's a
this
dot.
is a simple line. From this is a dot, yes.
Yes.
That is not having any height, any length, and breadth.
Any
anything.
breadth, nothing is there.
But in the second picture, I'm moving from point 1 to point
One
B,
axis.
point A to point B. So that is how it is a 1D. Only this horizontal line. When it comes to the next one, we have got horizontal lines, two parallel lines, and again the vertical lines. Okay. So this is how it becomes 2D, and we have seen cuboid, the match boxes and all. So we can touch this one horizontal part also, vertical part also, and then again there is height, right? That is how it becomes a 3D shape. What I have understood from here.
Thank you, ma'am. So, yes, now I'll just add a few examples to it. Dot, we don't have to explain it. Line. You are coming from Assam. You said, I'll be reaching in 2 hours. And I'm coming by train. Right? Now, I sitting in Delhi, looking at the map, I can easily make out what would be your tentative location right now. Easy? If not Assam, I'll say maybe which road I'm aware of. Maybe Assam I'm not aware of. But tentatively, for what I'm aware of, if somebody is coming to your home and he's saying, of course, driving, I'm reaching in half an hour. You'll be very much aware from where he is coming and right now at approximately at which point he or she will be. Okay? So this is, we are thinking in one direction only. There is only one way to come, and probably at some point you will be there in that line. This is one dimension. The second is the third is 2D. We have added an element here. Earlier it was just one line. Now we have created a parallel line. Once we have created a parallel line, we have two more parallel lines. This square is a 2D. Just look at the screen. Don't look besides it. Or I'll just simply say a paper. I will not take it. This is a 2D thing in front of you. Right now text, but if I draw something here, characters, you will be able to see only what is here. You can't see it from back. Can you see it from back? That is 2-dimensional. Now 3D. This is a phone. How it looks from front and how it looks from back. Can you see this?
Yes.
The dimension of depth has been added. That is the third dimension. In characters also, when I asked you Chhota Bheem is 2D or 3D, we are basically able to see that much character which is on the screen. There is nothing behind that character. that is defined basically by the movement you can see and the shadows also. We will see some of the examples of 2D and 3D, might be helpful to clear it. But we definitely have to see more to be very specifically clear with this concept. Now 3D is clear. Now fourth dimension. 4D भी सुना होगा? 4D, 5D, 7D. मेले में जाए तो मिलता है ना? क्या होता है वो? 4D ऐड हो गया है, 5D उसमें क्या है? We have mostly space, एक और डायरेक्शन ऐड हो गई प्लस एक्सपीरियंस. एक्सपीरियंस क्या? In the video, if there is a jerk, you will get a jerk on your seat. If there is a shower, you will get a shower on your face. So this is, you keep adding dimensions to it. They write whatever dimensions they want to. Okay, so this way we are understanding the dimensions in the animation.
मैडम एक पिछली स्लाइड में लीजिए 1D लाइन या फिर वो मुझे लगता है वो केवल वन साइड मूवमेंट को नहीं, वो तो रिवर्स मूवमेंट भी हो सकता है, लेकिन वो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसमें केवल एक लाइन है, मतलब
लाइन में तो मूव हो रहा है ना, वो इधर उधर नहीं जा रहा है, वो
आगे भी जा सकता है, पीछे
डायरेक्शन नहीं बोल रहे, हम डायमेंशन बोल रहे हैं. Don't mix it with direction.
Because you have given example कि आसाम से यहाँ आ रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो हम मतलब ये मतलब इमेजिन करेंगे ये यहाँ पे पहुँचे हैं, यहाँ पे पहुँचे, यहाँ पे पहुँचे, तो इसका मतलब वो वन साइड मूवमेंट हो गया.
हाँ.
सिंगल साइड मूवमेंट हो गया. ये डबल साइड भी मूवमेंट हो सकता है, लेकिन ये ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए है. जो ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका केवल लाइन दिख रहा है, मतलब जैसे हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल में से केवल वर्टिकल दिख रहा है या केवल हॉरिजॉन्टल दिख रहा है.
हाँ, हम अभी एक को लेकर के उस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझ रहे हैं, पर वो अभी चौकोर नहीं घूम रहा है, फोर साइड नहीं घूम रहा है ना.
नहीं, वो किसी भी साइड घूम सकता है,
किसी भी एक साइड एक ही लाइन में घूम रहा है.
नहीं, ये ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए है.
1D में एक डायमेंशन को ऐड, 2D में दूसरा डायमेंशन, उसके साथ
वो ऑब्जेक्ट की डायमेंशन है, डायरेक्शन नहीं. ऑब्जेक्ट की डायमेंशन है, डायरेक्शन है. जैसे ये लाइन है तो इस ऐसे भी आ सकती है, पीछे भी जा सकती है. बस इसके लिए हाइट नहीं है.
ये अब इसे देने से भी वन डायमेंशन ही होगा.
हाँ, ये भी वन डायमेंशन ही होगा. तो ये ऊपर भी जा सकता है, नीचे भी आ सकता है.
1D के साथ वो जो दूसरा लाइन दिखा है वो 2D ऐड कर दिया, मतलब एग्जिस्टिंग प्रायर वन.
उस ऑब्जेक्ट का शेप बन गया, उसका शेप आ गया, उसको मतलब हाइट भी आ गई. और
एक्चुअली इन रियलिटी यू कांट एक्सप्लेन वन डायमेंशन.
हाँ.
In reality,
that is theoretical. We are moving on a line.
कौन सा वन डायमेंशन नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर सकते?
नहीं, एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. इन रियलिटी आपने यदि एक लाइन ड्रॉ करे,
that is one dimension.
Here only dimension is okay, but when you come to direction, that is a confusion. डायरेक्शन अभी इसमें एक्सप्लेन करना ही नहीं.
हाँ,
हम लोग अभी मूवमेंट ऑफ कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से देख रहे हैं, जैसे हमने अभी प्रोजेक्ट करके दिखा रहे हैं. अभी हम अगला देखेंगे तो आपको क्लियर होगा.
इसमें सिंपल डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम जोड़ दीजिए, काम खत्म.
बस
ये डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम
इससे ज्यादा मैं भी नहीं पढ़ा सकती. ओके सर, फोकस, क्योंकि बाकी लोग जो नहीं इसमें एंगेज है वो बोर होंगे, फिर उनका भी सेशन है, आप लोग ये वाला डिस्कशन ले सकते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ 2D. इसमें क्या है कि फ्लैट सरफेस है. अभी मैम ने क्या बोला था, आपको 2D बनाना है, आई थिंक बोला था ना शायद, या मुझे बोला था उन्होंने. ये फ्लैट सरफेस है, फ्लैट सरफेस है. बटरफ्लाई फ्लैट है या एम्बॉस्ड है, मतलब कैरेक्टर बड़ा ऊपर दिख रहा है रखा हुआ, नहीं ना, फ्लैट है. ये 2D है, ठीक है. अब मैं बटरफ्लाई के पीछे देखूं या साइड पे देखूं तो मुझे कुछ अलग दिखेगा क्या? ये है 2D. 3D क्या होगा, जब उसका जो यहाँ से मान लीजिए ये मोटापा है वो दिखने लगेगा
जब वो बाहर निकल के आ जाए.
हाँ. अब इसके ऊपर मान लीजिए मैं एनीथिंग, पेन सर. नाउ दिस पेन इज हियर, दिस इज 3D. Now this movement is 3D, but if this butterfly is moving on this surface, that is 2D. Imagine the motapa or the height, everything is visible to us here, but the background is still 2D. I hope everyone here is able to see. You are all sleeping because your heads are down. You can come on that chairs, I think that will be convenient for you. So here again for this group, this is a 2D background with 2D characters. Okay, 2D क्या हुआ कि वो बटरफ्लाई का कोई भी शेप हम यहाँ से नहीं देख सकते, बाहर नहीं, उसकी वो कितनी थिकनेस है वो हमें नहीं पता है. But if I add this character pen here, this is a 3D character. Okay. I mean, this is something which we have to learn through these examples. Sir, आपको थोड़ा सा 3D समझ में आया इससे? Now here the surface is flat. That means 2D. The characters are flat. There is no other dimension of the character that we can see them from the back. That is purely 2D animation. This is a still from a video. Here the character, whatever we are seeing, although we are seeing a thickness of his arm, but we can't see it as a round, we are seeing it as a flat surface. So here I am standing here, there is a difference, you can see all this. But if my image is standing here, you can just see that much is visible, that much thickness is visible maybe from here, not from the side. That is the difference between 2D and 3D. This is also an example of 2D. This rock is drawn only to this level. If you go back, nothing is there. But it gives an illusion that this is a big rock which has a background also. But it is the basic drawn image. Now coming to duplication of Sholay. Next is 3D. Here, normally the definition of 3D lies that the background is 3D and the characters are also 3D. So, if this pen is 3D, then the background on which it is moving as a character is also 3D. We will see that how. This was the example of a 3D character. लगा कुछ difference? अभी एक बड़ा वीडियो देखेंगे जिसमें 2D भी appear होगा 3D भी, तो you can easily compare. Now, this is a bigger video. See it carefully. I'll stop it in between whenever one video will end. What is this kind of animation? You have to tell me. This is a certain type of animation.
एक समय की बात है, करता था गब्बर आराम, तभी वहां पे पुलिस आतंकी करने उसका काम तमाम.
The previous video where we could see the numbers and the girl. What was that? Was that a video, an animation? What was that?
Animation.
How?
Because they are adding some pictures. A, C, then create
So we have kept some
movements.
pictures in the motion. It was animation. Which kind of animation it was? 2D. If I want to categorize 2D animation further, one is cartoon based, the other one is something else based, what it could be? Infographics, very good. Yes, this is basically called text based animation. If you see, everything is a text. The girl was also a kind of clip art. Nothing like a rocket science drawing or something, but a clip art of a girl. Like we see emojis nowadays. So that is also animation, and that's the most simplest one with the text we have around us. Now we have the second animation. Sorry. Why it is not stopping or playing? I'll play it from here.
एक समय की बात है, करता था गब्बर आराम, तभी वहां पे पुलिस आ धमकी, करने उसका काम तमाम। सरदार अब आपका खेल खत्म।
In the previous video, Gabbar video, what kind of animation was it? We have already talked about it. Still, recall, what was the animation type? 2D. Background was 2D. Character was 2D. Who said 3D? No, nothing is wrong and right. I'm just trying to explore the reasons.
It only appears 3D, but it was 2D.
No, it can be, because in animation, your background can be 2D and characters can be 3D. Sometimes your background is 3D, your characters are 2D. So that is a possibility. That is why I said who said, out of excitement, that okay, who's going near there? Okay, why do you think it was a
Shade ke chalte.
shade ke chalte? Okay. Yes, there is an illusion there, but it was, background was also 2D and the characters were also 2D. Now in the next video, see carefully and tell me, in the bigger reference which I mentioned now, that anything can be 2D, anything can be 3D.
When you choose to do something which benefits everyone around you, it begins to show. And the kindness spreads.
Yes. Good. I think this is like a good activity. What is 2D and what is 3D to understand? What was 3D and what was 2D, or both of them were 2D or both of them were 3D in the previous video?
In the previous video, it's 2D like 3D.
It's a
2D like 3D.
It's 2D like 3D. Means
एक में तो 2D लग रहा है, लेकिन ठीक 3D
है 3D. Okay. मुझे समझने में लग गया इतना 4D. I want this team to speak.
कार was
Car was?
Okay.
Okay.
लग रहा है लेकिन
हाँ, इसमें नहीं, पुराने वीडियो जो इससे पहले कार वाला था जिसमें वो डस्टबिन में डाल रहे थे. कार. सुन के मत बोलो सर. सबसे पूछूंगी आज मैं. यहाँ पे कुछ हो गए हैं.
मैडम 3D के लिए तो ग्लास चाहिए ना.
ग्लास
कैसे देखेंगे?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, वो वर्चुअल होता है.
this person that the thing is looking like 3D but it is
हाँ, मैंने इसीलिए इमेज पे लाके छोड़ा, बिकॉज़ कुछ कंफ्यूजन हो गया कि घोड़ा आ गया बीच में. Now sir, car is moved, characters are there, background is there. Yes ma'am.
लेकिन 2D है. Illusion. 2D looking like 3D. वो shape जो है ना वो
पेंटिंग वैसी है।
मतलब वो
करने से
3D है.
आपको फीलिंग्स तब होगा जब टास्क
पेंटिंग में आजकल बच्चे पेंटिंग करते हैं.
आप सोचिए सर.
होती
You will say sir, I'm asking you. हाँ.
कोऑर्डिनेशन बनाया है कोऑर्डिनेशन
3D है. Okay. Anything you want to add?
जो डॉट जो बोला
No, it's okay. Not interested.
exactly
Okay. Coming here. Sir, please explain what is 3D and what is 2D in this one video which we just played back.
The background was 3D, the characters were 2D, according to my understanding.
Okay. I'm not giving any feeling of good or bad or right or wrong. No. I'm going to test each one of you today. Sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, same question applies here also.
So far, I think whatever we have seen is just 2D animations because
Looks like 3D.
the one animation which were showcasing.
I'm not talking about all of them. I'm talking about the specific last one played. 2D. Okay, now I pose the question in different way. How many of you think that this video, this one specifically, was 2D background, 2D characters? Raise your hands. This video which I played. 2D background, 2D characters. अभी ऊपर रखिए. Most of you. Okay. How many of you think that the characters are 2D or background is 3D? When the sir is set, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Okay. How many of you say that the background is 2D but the character is 3D?
No, it's
1,
it's not possible.
2, 3. How many of you say it is both background and foreground both are 3D? कोई भी ना. चलो ये तो अच्छा काम किया. So sir, you are right. Now will you please like to enlighten us why it is what you said was whatever you said it. I want everyone to understand. Especially the 2D group.
I don't really understand, but by seeing it, according to from my experience of watching lots of these animated characters and all, I can just simply say that the background is 3D, but the foreground is.
Sir,
I don't have
sir,
that.
शेड के चलते अलग कुछ नहीं, बैकग्राउंड में शेड लग रहा है, that's why you
Okay.
अलग कुछ नहीं है.
थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा मुझे कि मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है, मैं ऐसे ही बोला. Yes sir.
जो बच्चे ड्राइंग एंड पेंटिंग करते हैं उसमें वो 2D होता है बट उसमें फीलिंग
डेप्थ देते हैं.
सेकंड एग्जांपल दैट इन द फेस्टिवल रंगोली सुना सम प्लेसेस दे रंगोली वो दे मेड वो एक्चुअली 2D है बट लगता है वो 3D.
That's
illusion. Okay. Yes. So in most of the 2D and the next we are going to see, we'll see that there also. In this, if you see now here, I've stopped it here with a thought. You can see this cart.
Yeah.
Can you see the depth of it? And especially the road. I'll play it again now. You carefully watch it. Now you can see the bumps on the road. That is 3D.
When you choose to do something
This
which
is not
benefits
3D,
everyone around you,
the characters.
it begins.
Characters. Now you see the character. Can you see any other dimension in the character like the way we see that kid? Because we could see this kind of side also. Character is purely 2D. थोड़ा सा clarity होगा. Next time when you watch, be careful when you are analyzing it, because what he said is right. I also said in the beginning that as much as you see and now you see carefully, you will analyze that what is 2D and what is 3D. In a session like this, we can only do this much.
To show.
Characters, both now you look at the home. That was 3D, purely 3D. Now see here. In this video, characters are moving also. Everything is happening. August. Now, in the Ashwa Kumar video, बहुत धीरे से बोल देते हो सर कौन बोला कौन बोला okay hand raise was it both back and front 2D yes okay yes background 2D character 3D
और तो 3D जैसा लग रहा है
Yes, sir.
ये दिखाया था
Background वाला।
देखने में 3D है
हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं
करेक्टर तो 2D ही है।
फोटो बनाया है इस तरीके के
आपको बहुत क्लियरली पता लग रहा होगा वो जो that boy the hero of the story is in moving in a movement is restricted not like a 3D character
Yes, exactly.
but sometimes the horse is giving the illusion of 3D so it might be that the horse is 3D but it can be 2D also technically
How
now
can
you
I
have
do
to
that?
catch it
The horse is the front side is given, man. No. The horse you have seen now.
Huh?
It is just moving like this.
No,
Yes,
once
only,
once it's this thing also, then it is giving the illusion.
yes.
So that is what I'm saying. Now you keep thinking from that perspective. But generally, yes, this is a purely 2D work. But some of the elements can give you a thought and keep thinking on that.
1947, midnight. India
is
wakes to a
purely
new
2D.
life of freedom.
I'll skip it so that
They needed a progressive, something that single focal point to make India modern and progressive, something that captured the uniqueness of the chaotic but eternally hopeful nation.
so now the third video, last video maybe. Watch it carefully.
Eternally hopeful
Not
nation.
this next one.
That's 3D.
The previous one I'm talking about, not this one.
That was 2D, man.
I think it was also
The
3D.
bird one and the squirrel one. I'm talking about the bird and the squirrel
One
one.
thing is that we are just moving the film now.
Huh.
It's a picture. In
Huh.
a picture, you can't say that this is three-dimensional picture. We can't keep capture three-dimensional picture. Just it's moving like and it's an illusion of 3D. It's okay. Photo.
Okay. Of course, we are seeing it on a two-dimensional screen, but our experience,
Yes.
how things are moving, that only can tell us what it is. If we watch it on proper with glasses and everything, we'll find it out. That is right. But in the one which is with squirrel and with the bird,
Bird is 3D.
bird is 3D. Of course, 3D.
Wing.
But
Wing are this one, na?
But it is augmented reality. It has been imposed in real life. The real bird is also there. This is new media. You can't categorically say this is what. So new media is bringing a lot of elements into it. We have seen a human character interacting with a bird which is made in 3D. But then we also see a real bird there, which is embossed, which is augmented there. So all of it is coming together. This was just to give you an exposure that we have moved from 2D and 3D to something like this also. Now this one, I'll explain it before. This is a movie sequence, more like a gaming sequence. You'll see real life characters, but now how animation is helping here, we have a limitation of jump. We can take this much long jump or this much high jump, whatever. But in animation, we can take the liberty to make it more engaging. Right? It's a pure 3D work. Now you can watch it. purely looking like 3D. Ashwa Kumar was not looking, he was just looking like a figure. Now you can analyze what we were saying, that we are watching it on 2D screen, but still we can make out. This is not real but realistic animation. With this, we kind of end the videos, but yes, we are moving ahead with the presentation. Animation is not easy to make. As I said, clicking photographs is a small, very simple version of animation. Animation needs a lot of physics, programming, and then only we can do it. So I'm just going to give you a brief word go like what animation pipeline looks like, what an animation program takes. That to 2D, not 3D. 3D is even complex. So every video, audio, every kind of a resource, whatever content we are creating starts with a concept. We have to have an idea, we have to have a concept. Move to script, a storyline, whatever you say. Character design. You see, now go back to the hero of this 3D film or the Ashwa Kumar or the Sholay wala character. All has been first defined what my character would look like. Will they look like real? Will they look like cartoon? Will they look like in real? I want my character to look like Sir, or I want my character to look like a little more with grey hair, or a little more fat, or a little more thin. We have to define it according to our concept and our script. Why? In video, we don't define most of the time characters. Because somebody is going to draw it and create it. It is not like that a teacher will come and record and go. So teacher can look like him, her, or any one of us. But when I am talking about animation, my look should be clear, so that in every place it is looking similar. Because a person will definitely look similar in all, even if he's changing clothes, everything. So character design. Once character design is done, then the screenplay and storyboard is written. What is storyboard? We will see. Storyboard basically is in one scene how my character is placed, what kind of shot of my character, full character, half character, only mouth, only ear, what is visible, what other elements are placed, how they look. Everything has to be told in the storyboard. Once this pre-production stage, this is the pre-planning stage basically, nothing happening right now. Once this basic sketching is done, this is not a fair sketching, not to be used in the final film, but the final film will be made based on these sketches. Scene design, scenes will be created.
What is screenplay? Screenplay.
Screenplay is basically, it is between script and storyboard. Script is the basic storyline of the thing. Storyboard is when we write the complete angles, camera angles, or we show them. Screenplay is when we only have the dialogues form of the script, the complete dialogue form of the script, which is going to be visualized. So when we are shooting, for example, in video, script is first written by the script writer. Then it is converted into the dialogue form so that each character can read their own dialogues, and also it explains what kind of scenario it is being recorded, like the background or the situation. That is the screenplay. Storyboard will add those images what we are imagining in screenplay here in as a sketch. That's the difference. Now this is the technical process coming. Scene design, character animation. We have decided the character here. Now we will animate the character. We will create other secondary characters, background creation and background animation, then joining them together, compositing. If I'm talking about video, we have written a script, shooting. Post-production, combining every scene together, dialogue recording, sound effect, music, every other part what we do in video will be done here, and final mastering. So can you see how it has slightly elaborated from video? This is the character design. So for example, the Ashwa Kumar video, these were the references which were created. This was the one which was approved. So this is how it starts. Right now it is only the character, no animation. Animation will be done after the finalization of the character and script. This is the storyboard. A village like scene, I can read it out to you. एक गांव के पास पशु मेला लगा है जहां चारों ओर जानवर बंधे हुए हैं. So this has to be visualized. You can visualize it in a different way. I can visualize it in a different way. So तमाम लोग आ जा रहे हैं, कहीं लाउड स्पीकर में प्रचार चल रहा है, चारों ओर लोगों और जानवरों की आवाजें आ रही है. साउंड इफेक्ट आ गया. वही मेले के एक कोने में दो लोग बैठे बातें कर रहे हैं. मैं ये एक दो आपको दिखाऊंगी, then we will see the video also. अब वो जो दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, ये उनका सीन आ गया. This is how in animation every scene has to be first a sketch has to be created. These are the short sizes. In storyboard, we define these short sizes that how my character will be looking. Only the face, only the eyes, or the mid body or the full body, whatever shot has to be taken. Now can you recall the first dialogue? गांव में मेला लगा है, पशु मेला. Is it justifying what was drawn there? I can go back. See this first picture?
Yes.
And this.
Yes.
Right? This is why the storyboard is needed in
क्या सोच में पड़ा है हीरा?
ये नेक्स्ट
यहाँ
डायलॉग
तो
स्टार्ट हुआ है.
एक से बढ़कर एक घोड़े हैं. देख ले अपनी पसंद का कोई एक. यही तो परेशानी है हसन भाई. घोड़े तो बहुत हैं, लेकिन मुझे.
Right? You got the clarity how the storyboard is purely reflected in the animation. So in video also we talk about storyboard, but it is not that much necessary there. That is here. Now, we have learned a lot about animation. Sir has started sleeping also, dozing off. Okay, so now we will be talking about the creation part. Please be awake now because you have to do the creation also. There are multiple tools for 2D and 3D animation. You can explore any of them or many of them, up to you. Scratch is a 2D one. Sir has explored because previously we used to conduct it, now we don't. Scratch basically is a programming tool, but it allows you to create small animations also. Go, decide your background, decide your character, import your character, give them movement and see. Yes. I'll take 15 minutes. Yes, mostly they are free and open source. If not completely free, they are in freemium. Scratch to Khas. Now, before you go into the program, animation making, as Dr. Angel said, now I'll keep the assignment parallel so that you have the idea. For example, you can take any story, a folk story, anything which can be reflected on paper. Like that of a lion and mouse. You know the story of lion and mouse? So that kind of small story you take, in which we have a background of a jungle maybe drawn on a 2D paper, and then we have characters whom we can move. And we can have a net also to put over the lion so that a mouse can cut it. All of it you have to visualize. So you have an idea that I want to create a story maybe for this thing, and then a basic storyline what you are going to record with it. Storyboard right now not required, and we have our phone with us. We will be using an app on mobile phone. I think you must have installed. If you have not, please kindly install parallelly when you are doing your activity. Stop Motion Studio. Stop Motion Studio, where we listen to me carefully. Don't right now get into your phones. Okay. Stop Motion Studio, when you are going to click the photograph, you have to click in the app. Don't open your phone camera and start clicking, because the free version doesn't allow you to import. In any case, that will be complex, because importing one image is difficult than clicking in the app. So you have to open the Stop Motion Studio app and then place everything together. You have to be static. If you move the camera, then the stop motion will not happen, because the character has to move, not you. So you can take rest on some chair or something, and then one person will keep clicking, keeping the light in mind. The light should fall on the story, not on you, because if it will fall on you, what will happen? Your shadow will be there. The other team members will keep moving the objects, and the object movement will be very small. We will show you that here, demo we will give you. So this all you have to keep it in mind, that one person who has a static hand, soft breathing, can take a rest, must take a rest, and then click. Others will be first deciding who will move what, so that there is no problem. Don't click 250 pictures only, click 280. So that if you want to remove one of them, you are still left with 250. And for every movement, say for example, this hand is there and phone is there, I am moving it here, I am bringing it here. So I am not going to do this 1, 2. No. Can you see the movement? Very small. And for every movement, click 4, 5 pictures. Tuck, tuck, tuck. That's it. It will be very simple. In stop motion, we are using here paper and chart and colors. You will be having crayons type or sketch pens or watercolors. But later on, you can do 3D also with clay motion, clay modeling. It is up to you. So there are multiple ways you can create a stop motion program. This is the app. I'm going to show you, I'll try to show you the demo if it works right now. But still I have captured all the screenshots for your convenience. Once you download, this kind of screenshot will appear, that your landing screen. Once you are in, this is the interface of Stop Motion Studio on your mobile phone. This is a mobile app. You click on new movie. Everyone, I think, on the screen. Nobody's sleeping. Who's sleeping? Raise your hands. Okay. New movie. Once you click on new movie, you will land on this screen. Right now, you can't see anything. You can see a camera here.
Yeah.
You click on camera, then the camera will appear. Okay? This is the audio button. Once you have captured the photograph, this will get activated. You can record the audio. Whatever story you have. Plus button basically works mostly in paid version. It allows you to fetch images, some images from your gallery or something from your gallery, add music and everything here in the application. But the free version doesn't allow you to do so, so I'm not getting into the detail of that. When I clicked on the camera button, right now it is the explain part. This is the back button. This is, I said, recording, add images, settings, capture. If I click on capture, then the camera things will appear, undo and play. Once you have captured, you can use play using this button. Now, when I clicked on camera, this screen will appear. Now you start clicking. The same interface, red button to click the images. So you have set up 5 clicks. Tick, 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 5. Then the next step. You don't have to move, the other person will move. Right now you can see 001 here. As you click, the number will increase. Now you see that I have clicked a few images of a ball rolling, because that's most easy to show on stop motion. Once I have clicked this screen, the previous screen will appear where recording has activated. You click on any image, this editing facility will be available, out of which some will work, some will not work, based on the, again, free version and the paid version. But many of them work, like insert camera. For example, you think that you need an image here. Maybe you forgot to click a title, written title of the story. You can insert camera, and anywhere in between these images, you can add one more image. Pause, audio, basic things will work here. You will record here using the mic button. Once you click on mic, this option will appear. You will record and your movie is ready. You don't have to save it. It will be automatically saved. Right? Now, I'll just see the time. I have 2-3 minutes, so I'll just try to show you the demo of the application. Just give me a second.
Ma'am, you said about 5 clicks. Why 5?
4-5 I said, so that the what we discussed, the persistence of vision will work better here. Because 1/10 is my capacity, human body, and the frame size in video is 1/25. To match that, if there are 4 clicks, will be more smooth and there will be no jumps in the video. You do it and learn. That's a hands-on training. Like when I did with the ball, for example, if I click the ball here, one click and the second here, it will move like a jump. But if I have 4-5 clicks here, it will stay. And the distance, if the next distance is near, then it will move smoothly like a gliding ball, moving ball, and not a jumping ball. Jump also will not be visible because I'm not showing the ball here, but suddenly it is appearing here.
Clarity of movement. Ma'am, is there any alternative to stop motion apps?
Why do you want an alternative?
Because they are limited role, you know.
You can look for it. Right now I can't. Just a second. I forgot what to do. Took my focus there and I have now forgotten. Just a second. I have to basically connect my phone with the laptop so that I can show the real movement. So, no, that's okay. I'll just.
मैडम साउंड बाद में डालना है कि at the same time sound.
Once the audio video is recorded, the images are captured. You can add the sound then and there, or you can keep it and later also you can add. That feature is there. Who's sitting? Oh God, this is also not working. अरे मैंने जो लास्ट वही वाला हाँ वो नेटवर्क वाला नहीं वो हो गया था इसमें मैं
वीडियो नहीं दिया बैक कर दिया
करो
शायद
वीडियो मोड कर दिया
हाँ
फोटो में
हाँ वो नहीं वो दूसरे एप्लीकेशन के लिए था ये दूसरे जो मैं भूल ही गई वाली सेटिंग अभी नेट चला दो इस पे तो मैं कर दूंगी 1 मिनट नेट चला दो कोई भी It's asking for update. Just give me 2 minutes. Sorry, it's asking for some updates. So I'm using some other option.
If you want to clean up, but we person clean up and this is the two camera only. But she says that if you take the picture of the necklace to be drawn first, na? And
Anyways, right now it is asking for the updates, but I will guide you through the phone. I have already shown the pictures to you, but I will on the when we are recording, I will update you on the feature what you exactly have to do. So basically, what I wanted to try that opening the app on my phone, you will see it on my screen, and we will record one video small so that we have a better feature clarity. But it is asking for some kind of update, so I'm just not wasting time there. Can we break?
break party.
Okay. So now, just give me before tea. After that, you'll be collecting your bags from here and newspaper from sir. Newspaper नीचे बिछा के उसके ऊपर activity करेंगे so that the floor is also maintained. Because of watercolors and everything, the floor also gets bad. We will not try to spoil that. First thing, and be very careful. 250 images minimum. Movement of the clicking person will not be there. He will rest on something, maybe a chair or a table. You will use 2D background and 2D foreground. No, don't go for 3D. You can definitely go, but because right now the feasibility of clicking is like this, so 3D will not appear properly. If you can manage, up to you. Small things like pebbles, if you want, you can do that, but don't go beyond that right now for 3D creation. One movement, click 4-5 pictures so that you can easily reach the 250 aim also, and it's more the flow is also more smooth. Make the motion very, 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 very slow. Mind it, I'm saying very, 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 very slow. Because what happens in my previous experience, people move from here to here. It gives a jerk in the video, it doesn't look nice. Even if you click only 2 pictures of one frame, that's okay, but movement should be very slow. That will cover everything. Okay? So with these points and the available resources, we will think of a story in your group. One of you become a leader, and no one in the group shall be seen seated like a boss. No. Everyone is the performer there. Everyone will be involved in either drawing, clicking, whatever way, but you all have to be involved. While clicking, one person is clicking. Before that, try to learn and do all that together so that all of you know it. Once you go back, you are an individual. Right now, you are a group. So, work accordingly. These are the basic things. Once you come back from tea, we will start directly the activity. Yes, sir. Just a second, everyone, all the groups. This kind of activity of drawing and painting is not possible on the tables. So we are going to go sit there in the groups. The team will facilitate. We'll give you enough space. Spread the newspaper in between. On that, keep your paper. Discuss the story there only and start working on it. Who's good in drawing can draw. Who's good in coloring can color. Who's good in thinking can think of the storyline which can be recorded. Now nothing has to be done in the room. So I'll request all of you to please come out.
Just discuss it. You can do one
We'll
thing.
discuss outside only.